Koifin Review 2025. Is this the best free finance platform? Koifin has been making waves in 2025, but most people get this wrong by assuming free finance platforms can't be powerful. I tested Koifin and here's what I found. Koifin offers detailed stock, ITF, and market data with no cost for the basic plan. You won't believe what happens next. It provides interactive charts, customizable dashboards, and access to macroeconomic indicators, all in one place. The platform also includes real-time news, alerts, and financial analytics that rival some paid tools. Unlike typical free apps, Koifin allows you to track multiple portfolios, compare companies, and analyze sector performance without paying a dime. The surprising truth is that while it's free, the platform is surprisingly robust. Analysts, individual investors, and even finance students can benefit from its features. However, some advanced features like full API access and deeper analytics require the paid plan. So, is Koifin the best free finance platform? For anyone looking to monitor markets, research investments, and make informed decisions without spending money, it's definitely one of the top options in 2025.